am 17. I have learned Go for 1 year and I am 20Q now. I really love playing Go. Let me introduce my Go class to you. We bring our Go books to class. The book has many funny comics. Teacher Prep will teach us 3 chapters. We also solve interesting problems in the Go book. This can train my brain. Then we will study games by super strong players. We will analyze their strategies and learn how to think. It helps me think deeper about my own games too. After studying, it's time to play real games. My favorite. We will play 2 games, sometimes with classmates, sometimes with teachers. A long time ago, I played on the small board. Now I'm playing on the big board with my friend Joey. We have to guess the odd or even stones to see who starts. Black always goes first. After the game ends, we will take away the dead stones and put them back into the opponent's territory. Finally, we can count the territory. We usually group 10 by 10. It is easier to count that way. The person with more territory will win the game. Yeah, I win this time. Playing a game can take a long time. To win, I have to build more territory. If I make a strong move, I can capture my opponent's stones and turn them into my territory. Like this. White, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, white. Black, white, black, white, black, and keep on going, and it's going to go here, and then it's going to die. If I made a mistake, I can't capture it, and I'm very in danger. Even though I save here, black might cut, and then he's gonna cut me again, and I'm gonna die. So I have to be careful and focus for the whole game, and I couldn't let this happen. These 2 stones is gonna die. We usually play 2 games in the class. My class is 80 minutes. Time flies when I'm super focused on the game. It's time for me to go home. Come and join. I hope to see you in class. Go is super fun and the best game ever.